Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. I want to go over something with you guys. I want to talk about luck and extreme luck. Okay, in this case, this is a 2009 Dodge Journey, I want to say. All right, now it's in for no start, no crank, no nothing. It was towed in. That's why they put it in this spot. Now, this is one lucky customer, and I'm actually glad for her because, you know, she don't have the finances anyway, but it turned out to be a lucky situation. Now, where I'm going with this is she had no choice but to get the car towed in. Number one, she don't know where the key at. The car had been sitting for a while. Y'all saw the rear. That's not even a plate on it. So I guess she took it off because she don't know what else to do. So I guess she finally come up with enough money. You know how you call around and get an estimate on how much it costs to get a key cut? Well, we do not offer the services to where we come out and cut your key. We're not a locksmith. All right. So you have to bring your car to us, even if you have to tow it to us. The dealership I'm speaking about. All right. Now, once here, we can perform the job. But lucky for her, and again, I'm happy for her, it's not going to work out too well for me. Well, I'm still going to get paid, just not as much if it was CP. But in this case, I'm okay with that. Okay, so hear me out. Once here, naturally, we put in the VIN, we find out information on the car, and lo and behold, guys, the customer has this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a recall box. She have a recall. Guess what it's on, guys? You're not gonna believe this. Let me open this so y'all can see. This is one, that's why I call her the luckiest customer in the world at this point. Guess what this recall consists of? Do y'all see this? Let me open this box. Look at this, guys. Right off the bat, you see two new keys, right? And you see a skim module. Tom Cook and Heller, Chris, y'all know what this is. This is the recall that requires you to replace the ignition node. Okay, some call this a skim module, some call this a RKE module. At any rate, is needed for starting, right? So, because this is a safety issue, FCA decided to issue out a recall. All right, I'm thinking at times the car will not start. That would make it a safety issue, right? It doesn't matter. At any rate, this customer is entitled to this repair because there's a recall on her car. So, which, back to my point, this is one lucky customer and I'm happy for her. Now, for all you guys out there with 09, I think this applied to the 09 Journey, the 09 Chrysler Caravan in Town and Country. And guys, this is what we call a R03 recall. I think I did some previous videos on this. In fact, I'll link it right here. If you have this year model vehicle, guys, do not go in the shop because a lot of shops are not going to tell you about the recall. I've seen instances where shops will sublet the vehicle out to the dealer to get the recall done. And then shop owner will bring it back to his shop and take credit for the repair and charge accordingly when he didn't do any work. Turned out he had a recall on it. So I just want to alert you guys that own vehicles such as this. Any vehicles for that matter, check for your recall notification, guys. You may be entitled to a free repair that you don't have to pay for. That's what makes it free. So it's in your best interest to do your own homework on your own car. All right. So when I come back, we're going to talk about a particular online mechanic, Astro Auto Repairs, and some of the services he's offering now that he got some equipment. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. What I am speaking about, remember in the beginning part of this video, I mentioned that we do not offer such a service to where we come out and program your key or program a key. We just don't offer that service. This is a dealership. All right, so you're required to bring your car here. Now, my buddy Tim over at Astro Auto Repairs, they now have the equipment to where they could perform such a task, okay? I'm not sure what area Tim in. You can look him up. I will put a link to his channel right here. All right, there's plenty of ways you can reach out to him. He has all the social media platforms attached to his name, Astro Auto Repair. So if you're in that area and you need a key, you don't have to tow it to the dealership unless you have a recall. Okay, that's different. But had this car not been equipped with a recall, they would have had to pay a lot of money. Tim now have the capability to offer such a service. So I highly recommend that you reach out to him to get that done. Any event you've misplaced your key, you've lost your key, or you even just want an additional key. All right. From my understanding, he now offered that service. All right, guys. So let me get to the work. I have, let me see. This is one of the older model, guys. I haven't done one in a while, and guys, notice I'm working outside. That's the only, I refuse to tow this car in the shop just to program a key. I can do this remotely, all right? So I'm gonna install this skim and this key right here where I sit, all right? So then I can drive it to the shop and look the car over and see if there's anything else she need, all right? So that's where we're gonna go. So let me go grab some tools. What tools do I need? Probably a pry bar. I gotta get in here. The skim module we're talking about is in this area, guys. It is the wind module. All right, so I got to get up under there and get under there. I might just hook everything up and program everything just so I can start the vehicle. Is I got any battery power? Yes, the horn worked. Just so I can start the vehicle, and I might drive it in the shop and then reassemble everything there. All right, guys. So I really no sense of you guys watching this. This is a free recall. I maybe if you faced with this situation and your car is not equipped with a recall, I guess it may help to know how to get to the skim module. So I'll tell you what, I'll show you as much footage as I can. But the main objective of the video is to alert you guys to check your car. It's real simple, guys. If you don't know how to do it, send me your VIN. I will check your VIN for any particular recalls you may have. Remember, guys, recalls are free. They're predominantly for safety concerns, okay? Safety issues, all right? Obviously, this is a safety issue. If you're in a non-safe environment and you can't start your car, that would make this unsafe, all right? So FCA took the blame for this. They taking a hit on this. They issuing out notifications to dealers to get this done and replaced, and that's where I come in at. All right, so let me get to work, guys. Stay tuned. Let me go grab some tools and we'll get right on it. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. So like I said, guys, I'm just gonna set up to where I can start the car and drive it in the shop. So all I gotta do now is program the keys. Not so much program the keys, but program this system to the car, because these keys are already programmed to this wind module. So I need to program the wind module to the car, and the keys should work because they are already programmed to the wind module. All right, so guys, I need my phone, which I am using as my filming device to perform this task. All right, so I'll just put up screenshots showing y'all if I can. I may not have enough room on my phone, but the objective here is to get the key program so I can drive it in the shop, and I will complete the proper replacement of this skim module and these keys. All right, stay tuned.